We should do some exercise too, right?
Yeah, we are working.
Let's do it now.
No. Hello everybody.
Hello everybody.
We are at Chatuchak Park.
Yay!
So it's Sunday evening and we are at the Chatuchak Park. So just next to the Chatuchak weekend market.
Mhm.
It's like just a 5-minute walk
Yes.
from the market. And here we have a beautiful park. Just near here the BTS, the Mochit BTS and the MRT. I think it's the Chatuchak Park MRT station. So we have a lot of people in the park because now it's a little bit more than 6 p.m. It's cooler,
Yeah.
not that hot, and people come at this time to do some exercise, to do some running, and yeah, we can see a lot of people running here. And it's a great walk at this time.
Yep.
Because if we come here in afternoon, it's really hot. The sun is really strong, and so at this time it's better. So there is the Chatuchak weekend market. We can see with a mixed mall.
The lake is pretty, isn't it?
Yeah, beautiful. Love this park. It's simple. Some palm trees, one lake, and a beautiful bridge there.
After spending a day at Chatuchak weekend market, if you are here during the weekend, it's good to take a walk here in this park.
Yeah, just to relax. You can see the moon. And here we have the MRT station. I think it's another exit.
Yep. We should do some exercise too, right?
Yeah, we are working.
Let's do it now.
No,
Let's run.
Walking
run,
is
run,
enough.
Run a little bit.
the color is beautiful at this time. Oh, BTS. So just for information, the Chatuchak weekend market, is a big market, very large, and you can find any kind of stuff. You can buy anything you want for a souvenir or just to buy some goods for the everyday life, and also a lot of foods. And yeah, it's really large, and there is more than 2,000 stores, I think.
Yeah, 2000.
2,000, so yeah, imagine. Here we have a condo, I think, a new condo. And yeah, we can.
Which way should we take? Going over there or take the bridge?
We will take the bridge. Let's go to the bridge. And there we have another bridge, so we have two red bridge.
It's nice to have this kind of park in the big city like Bangkok
Yes.
to do some exercise and
Yeah. To have some nature. It's beautiful, right?
Yep.
Here and there. Can see some trees, some nature, and behind we have the big building. So many people running. Okay, which way? Left or right?
Let's take the right side.
Okay, we'll see on the right side. We have beautiful park in Bangkok City.
I agree. Yeah.
We have this one.
Yeah. The Lumpini
We
one,
have
Lumpini
Lumpini.
Park. Yeah.
We have also
Benjakiti.
Benjakiti
And some others.
and some others.
Yeah.
But the famous one, yeah, it's Lumpini. Just around Silom.
Yep.
In Saladeng. It's really big too. I think it's bigger than it's bigger than this one for sure. And Benjakiti is famous also. This one I'm not so sure, but
I think it's quite famous because it's
Yeah.
near Chatuchak
but yeah,
market.
it's because of the Chatuchak weekend market that
Yeah.
this one is famous, I think. And in the Lumpini Park, there is also so many people running, doing exercise, and there is even people doing some salsa. No, not salsa.
Fitness?
Fitness or Zumba,
Zumba.
not salsa.
Yeah, I tried this once.
Ah
It
yes.
was so funny.
Yay. Okay, so this condo is the line. They have, they have the line is pretty big. They have different condo complex in Bangkok. Okay, we just arrived to the second bridge. Let's have a look of the lake, of the view from here. Oh, there is another bridge here. Okay, there is a mini bridge here. Let's go back. Okay, I'm not sure what it says. It's in Thai. Cannot understand. Here we have some. We have a toilet here. It's getting darker now. I think everybody is doing some exercise.
But us.
We are the only one just working like this, taking our time, enjoying.
Oh, you can see here 14 kilometers.
14 kilometers. You can see the mixed Chatuchak. So it's a new mall just nearby the Chatuchak weekend market. So many birds noise. They are talking to each other.
Knock knock.
It will be great if we could understand what they are saying. It seems like there is an event there. Yeah, we are at the clock tower.
Okay guys, we're back here. So hope you enjoyed this walking tour in this beautiful park.
Yeah.
If so, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos, and see you in next one. Okay, let's run now.
Huh? Really?
Go, go, go.
Okay. Okay, we went 20 kilometers. Bye.